Platformers. They're one of the oldest and most loved video game genres out there, but they're one of the hardest types of games to make. Don't get me wrong, I like them from the fast like Pizza Tower or the exciting like Hollow Knight. And here I am, an aspiring game developer and a student who doesn't have time to upload or make games for his channel. But while reviewing some of my old games I made for multiple game jams, which are basically just game making competitions with the time limits, I stumbled across this puzzle platformer where you play as a little girl and a robot. It's your average platformer game, but while jumping and dodging obstacles, you also have to place nodes or little action points to form a path around the level that your robot will follow, so that it can get coins, kill monsters, etc. until it reaches the end of the level. The main puzzle aspect of the game was not established yet, so we'll fix that with this game. As always, I started by making a new project. Wait, to stop you from commenting why I didn't use my old projects, I tried a while back to start from the game jam prototype, but I quickly lost motivation because of the lack of organization and the buggy code. Plus, a brand new beginning will be more exciting. So, like I said, I created a new project and started prototyping with the movements. Actually, I didn't even need to make my own platformer movement script, because Godot already gave one by default, so I just messed around with the gravity and jump values until I stumbled with something I liked, and then we got a white square that moves, or put simply the player. Now let's make the robot following the nodes. This was stupidly hard to make because I didn't have Wi-Fi while developing this game, but it actually made it better for some reason. So I first created the script so we could place those nodes, and it was pretty easy. You just detect where the mouse is when it is clicked and place the node there. But the hard part was to make the robot follow the mouse. By the way, if you're liking what you're watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps out a ton. I tried multiple things but didn't have any idea. I had the solution at the tip of my hand, which was lerping or transforming the position slowly to the next node with math, but it just didn't work, and after a quick Google search using my brother's mobile data and some tweaking, I found a smooth and cool solution. Also, if you find anything weird about the game, leave any feedback on the comments, it would help immensely. I think the moving animation turned out pretty damn well, and I don't think I will change it in the near future, unlike the movement of the player or the graphics. Talking about the graphics, I don't really like the squares we've got going around, so I hope to ask the and started cooking. I have lots of ambitions with this game and its art style. I want it to be tripped between different styles like 2D pixel art, hand-drawn, then a little bit of 3D there, etc. I honestly don't know if I'll be able to incorporate this given I'm pretty bad at everything related with game development, but I'll try. Anyways, I made the player's sprites and cut all its limbs so I could animate it like a skeleton on the game engine. I then made the animations using the animation player and added them to the game. Nice! We got an idle, walking and jump. Wait, that animation looks weird, and much better. I also made the robot, but that was honestly easy. I also tried making a background, but I didn't like it. I wanted the first level to feel like a dream with the background and the same theme, but this one looked confusing. I was lost and I didn't know what to do. Each time I made something, it felt weird.